In the previous video, we saw that Java is an object-oriented programming language. And we established the fact that object-oriented means we're thinking in terms of objects. We saw different objects: student, bank account. We even saw that these objects can be inanimate objects, things like cup. And we also saw that it's programming language. And so we're saying that we want to give instructions to the computer to do something, but we need to do that with the language that is in between what humans understand and what the computer understands. And we said Java programming, for instance, programming language, generally speaking, are a set of rules and syntax that humans can use to write instructions or to instruct the computer. And computers can actually understand what we're instructing them to do and also execute that. And let's go ahead to see, when we say we're thinking in terms of objects, we cannot talk about objects if we do not first talk about classes. And the reason is because objects are built from classes. So think of that as we go along. So what are classes, really? Classes are blueprints. You can also call them templates. And they are made, their sole purpose is to create objects in programming. And in classes, we have the attributes. So the classes are where we define the attributes. And by attributes, we mean properties, we mean characteristics that objects are created from will have. And so, for instance, when you think of characteristics, you think of a car. A car, for instance, has color, and a car has engine type, a car has model, a car has its year of make, things like that. Those are the attributes of a car. And we'll take a look at an example in this video. But classes also define behaviors. And by behaviors, we mean what can the objects created from this class do? And so we're saying in programming, actually, we refer to those as methods. And so one example we'll look at two examples. One of the examples we'll look at is the cake example. And the other example we'll look at is the house blueprint examples. I believe these examples would make it clear as to what classes are. And in case you're wondering, hey, why are we not going into programming straight on? The reason is simple. If you understand these concepts, you really understand what's going on when we start writing actual programs. And so just stick with me and bear with me. This, I hope it's not going to take too long, at least for me. And if you already know some of these terminologies, please feel free to skip these videos and just head over straight to the programming aspect of this video. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. This is classes.